How to public your Facebook post. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Facebook application. Now tap on your profile icon. If you have locked your profile, you have to unlock it. Tap on the three dots. Now click on unlock profile. Now tap on unlock. Now click on unlock your profile. Now tap on OK. Now go back. Now tap on the three lines. Go to settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Now scroll down a bit. Now go to post. Now next to who can see your future post, select select public. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a warning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.